Hello guys, good morning. If you're watching this, that means you're watching the replay. So I'm going to wait for a few minutes for you guys to hop on, and then let's talk about the holiday sets that Sanajans has released. I don't have the exact set, but I have all the products that they have put together. Most of them, I would say. So I thought, why not I show that way you guys can understand how big it is and what is the benefits of it and who can really use that. That way you can plan ahead and order it. If you're hopping on, say hi and. As I mentioned, I think they had 6 for the holiday sets. So each one is different from each other, and it's targeted for different audiences. So that way it's a good mix of all things, so it's not like the same lip scents or anything. So let's start with the first one. It's obviously the mistletoe prep gift set. This is perfect for winter, so if you're someone who has dry chapped lips, please make sure to grab these two, because this lip smooth whatever I haven't finished, so you can understand how much I have used. This is like a lip exfoliator. So what you do is you just use maximum 3 times a week. You don't need more than that, and that too, once you start using for a few times, then you can even reduce to maximum 1 or 2 times, not more than that. So, and you will use like just tiny bit and scrub it around your lips. It has almond oil, it has nangai oil, coconut oil and cocoa butter, so it's going to be really moisturizing. And if you are someone who has flaky lips or dry lips, this will really help to take away all the dead skin cells. That way it can be really smooth. So this is a lip smooth, which is a lip exfoliator, and you get the clear lip balm. So here if you see, these two are coming along with the free bag and a free lip exfoliator brush. So that's a cute gift if you're looking for someone like your kids or anybody, and you can even split two, because as I mentioned, this both will last you more than 9 to 1. This will obviously be 1 year or more. That's how much product is there, and you will use such a tiny product. So this is such a good value for the money, and it goes really well for anybody. So it doesn't have to be your girls or even men can use this. So you can take this and you can give it to your husband or a loved one. So that way even your teens or anyone can use clear lip balm, and it will it's really hydrating, and it will last you so long. So that's the first set. And let's go with the second one, which is again my favorite. So this is the gold mask. So that's the second one. It's called Merry and Bright collection. So as you all know, it has 24 karat gold in this. So it is like really hydrating, and it tightens the skin. So you will start noticing. Hi Shweta, good morning. Thank you for hopping on. So I thought I will just show the products from the holiday gift set. So I had all of them, except that I don't have those gift bags or anything, but at least I had the products, so I thought why not show it. So this comes with the Senegence applicator and also with the Senegence headband for $50. So which is a nice value, because usually it is called a gold mask collection, and it's usually for $55, and now it's for $50. I dropped it. I know every time live happens, I drop something. So that's the gold mask, and I really like to use at least once a week. If you want, you can even use it for twice a week, and it will have more than 20 applications, I would say. Even if you do little thicker, I do thin, because you don't need to, I don't like to waste any of the Senegence products. So yeah, Shweta, I don't know, your hands will become slippery once you start doing live. I think that is my default one. Whatever I do, I will always drop one product. So So the mask will last you so long, and as I mentioned, it can work for anybody. It is going to tighten the skin, improve the collagen production, and if you are someone, what is it, like someone who has acne, this really helps too. So it is like in multi-level benefits with, and it makes your face really, what is it, like smooth and shine after. I really like the way it feels. Once you peel it, you can feel it, it really becomes really, really soft. So thank you, Shweta. Thank you so much. It's so sweet of you. So that's the second one. And the third one is, which is the third one? Yes, the third one is Cuddle Ready gift sets. When I started using the heel and elbow cream, I think I have mentioned it in, okay, this set comes with the heel and elbow cream, the hand cream, and it comes with the golden bag, and also body poof, free body poof, and also a body care sample. So it's like $60 for these two. And as I mentioned, this one we all need it now because we are constantly washing our hands, and if you don't want it to feel dry, this really smells amazing. It's more feels like what is it, like the Johnson and Johnson baby cream kind of. That is how it smells, and it gets reactivated whenever you wash your hands, so that way you don't have to reapply. It lasts longer, and at the same time it gets activated by its own. So even if you apply once, then even if you wash it again and again, you are going to feel it that it's still there. So hand cream is must for winter. Again, I always like to keep one in my car or anywhere, because it's like a practice I like to do. Like I like to do it because it smells nice and also it feels good. And the same way, the heel and elbow cream, it has 9% glycolic acid. That means it's going to exfoliate your feet. If you remember, when you go to pedicure or anything, they used to use a scrubber to remove it. This is going to do it on own, like how we do the facial resurfacer or the lip smooth for other places. This is going to exfoliate. That's why your feet is going to feel softer. So I have what is it, like cracks. My heel gets cracked because it's a hereditary. My mom had it for so long, so I always used to have it. But this really works. Like it is just, you can, I think it's only thrice a night, thrice a week, if I'm not sure. I think I use only thrice. Yeah, but what I do is I like to mix it because it's really thick. Oh, this is closed one. This has extra wrap, so I couldn't open, but it's really thick. What I do is I do good that it comes with the body lotion sample. What I do is I mix it with the body lotion. That way I'm not wasting much of the product. I take a tiny bit and mix it with the body lotion. Good morning, Shailaja. Thank you for hopping on. I was explaining the holiday sets because that way people can know which one to pick. So the heel and elbow cream is like a must have. If you are someone who has cracked heels, please do grab this one. You will really like it because you may think it may take a little bit of time. As you know, it's going to be, our feet are a little harder place to penetrate, but that's why it has that glycolic acid, because when you don't exfoliate, the skin around the feet becomes harder, because wherever we keep the heels pressed, that part will be like harder. So this will make it softer and exfoliate those areas, and also treat it with the glycolic acid. So this is a really good one if you have cracked the heels. So this is the third set, and the fourth set, again, it's for everybody. Oh, then you really need to grab this one, Shailaja, because as I mentioned, it works really well. I unfortunately I forgot to take my before and after. At least I can do my after pictures, because it is like what is it, like my mom had very bad cracks. She's a teacher, so she used to stand on her legs all the day. So she has very bad. Yeah, I know. That's what I was saying. Most of the products here are particularly meant for what is it, like using it in winter, like the hand cream or the lip balm, lip smooth. Everything is perfect for winter. So that's why I was telling everybody to grab one. So if you are interested, please do message. I have it in stock already. So the next one is the Spartan. As I was talking that day, even today, whether you have a teen girl or even now, you all know when we have periods or whether we have oily food or anything, we break out. So in that case, you don't need to treat all over like because any active medicine is going to dry out. Instead, you can just spa treat. If you have a teen, and we all, I think, go through that, we try to pick it. That is one constant thing we cannot avoid. By using the Spartan, what it makes is, it is either pull out all the junk out, that way it will obviously pop on, or if you remember, some of the pimples will pain a lot even if you touch it. Sometimes it will subsidize it, and it will treat to the skin level, so that way it is it is killing the bacteria in that area, and it is allowing not to spread it. So it will last you so long, because you are going to use only tiny amount on wherever you need, and it's not like an all over product you are going to use. So if you have a teen, or even if you are someone who breaks out once a month or constantly, then grab this, because that way you can just spa treat. As I mentioned with Cloudy, since he licks, I tend to break out, so I either use the retinol few nights, or I use the spa treatment if I needed to treat it immediately. So that set is called Glad Tidings for Teens gift set. So obviously they named it, and it comes with a tinted lip balm and the Spartan treatment, and it also comes with the rainbow glitter bag, which is our top seller. I think it came along with the rainbow eyeshadow collection, and it's one of our top seller. People still ask for other distributors whether we have that bag. So even I had one bag which was grabbed in one of the sales actually. So that is a bag it's going to come with, and it also has the oil absorption sheet. So most of the people who have oily skin tend to break out a lot. What this oil absorption sheets are going to do is, I think it comes with I'm not sure, it's 50 sheets. Yeah, it's 50 sheets, so you can just blot it even after makeup, so you can have it in your bag. It is like a tiny small package, so you can take one paper, and even if you're out and if you're someone who feels oily, you can just blot the oil out, and it will absorb all those. That way you don't feel oily after you wear the makeup, and it will not break out. So that is the fourth set. And the next one is stress-free holiday gift set, which is another product of high selling product. It is the lifting and firming neck cream. This is one of the top seller overall with the company level, because if you see few places where the signs of aging will be showing us, one is obviously our crow's feet, which is closer to our eyes. The second one is the smile lines or something, and obviously your neck will start showing your wrinkles. Even if you take care of your face well, and even if you have seen celebrities, they sometimes wear high neck because they might have done oh, they are already messaging saying that the lip care one is already sold out. So I think these what is it, like this holiday packages will start to sell out faster. So if you are interested, grab them before it's gone. So as I mentioned, neck will be one place, like your back of your hands will start showing your wrinkles. That's why we have the brightening hand cream that addresses the hands, because then some people have discoloration in their hands too. So that is why we have specific product to address that. And lifting and firming cream is one, again, our top seller. And as I mentioned, you can just apply every other night or something, and you will start seeing, if you are someone who started showing wrinkles here and there, do grab this. And this is coming with the jade roller. I know it is one of the top topic anytime when you open Amazon or any Google. People like to use the jade roller to improve your improve the circulation and other things. So it is coming along with that. So it is $90, whereas the jade roller itself, if you search in Amazon, it might be more than $10-15. So that comes free with this tub. So that is the third one. I mean fifth one. The last one is obviously the men in our life, where they have packaged Goodwill to Men collection. So that's the last one, which comes with all our men's line products. This is the moisturizer, it has the cleanser, and it has the shaving cream. So all three together comes with a bag, and also what else it comes? It comes with a washcloth. So that's the last package. So this is for $100. So if you are looking for your better half, and as I mentioned, these will come last longer. They are much bigger than our the size of the normal moisturizer or normal cleanser. It is little more than that, and the value is also lesser than when compared to the normal size. And shaving cream, you can even grab it, like, I mean, if you're someone who likes to shave your legs or something, you can even grab that. And the moisturizer is really good because it has broad spectrum SPF 20 in them. So if you are using like the product retinol or something, then you need sunscreen for the morning, because retinol, even though you're going to use only in the night, retinol is nothing but it's going to start exfoliating your face with the vitamin A. That's why you need to have and it makes your skin little sensitive, so we always suggest to have a broad spectrum SPF. So you can also use this, so since it comes with this broad spectrum moisturizer. So those are the 6 things. Let me go and show one by one and also tell the price. So if you are looking for something, you can always grab it, and you can split. As I mentioned, these products are very well to split. It is not that one. So this is the first set, which is the Mistletoe Prep gift kit with Lip Smooth and the lip balm, and it comes with a free lip brush to exfoliate your lips, and these are 45. So usually this is 45, so that lip brush is free. And the next one is obviously the Merry Bright collection with the gold mask. This is like a must have, like it is like your home facial anytime. You all know when we all got married, the one whole year we'll be like so obsessed with gold facial. So it is like that. So you can do it at home and have the glow by yourself anytime when you need it. It is not like you need to go with COVID. Anyway, we couldn't go those places, so grab it. And as I mentioned, this is usually $55 for the collection if you get headband and the applicator. So now it's $50. So that's the second one. And third one is the Cuddle Ready gift set, which is the one I was talking about. It is the what is that, like the heel and elbow cream along with the what is that, hand cream, and it comes with the body poof and Senegen's body care sample. So the body care sample is really big. I have it there, maybe I will show. It has the body wash, body scrub, body lotion, and a hand cream sample. So that comes along with it, and it comes with a nice gold bag. So that is for $60. The next one is obviously the Glad Tidings for teens, which comes with the spot on acne treatment and the blush pink lip balm. So as I was showing, we have the clear lip balm and two tinted lip balms. So they both are the same size. So here we have the blush pink. So we cannot choose it. So if you are choosing in this, it's the blush pink lip balm. And the next one is, and it comes with the rainbow glitter bag and also the oil absorption sheet for $70. And the next one is the stress-free holiday gift set, which is the lifting and firming neck cream and the jade roller for $90. And the last one is the men's set, which is the cleanser, moisturizer, and the shaving cream. So that is for $100, and it comes with the bag, travel bag, and also it comes with the washcloth. So these are the 6 sets. So if you are looking for anything, you can always message me to grab one. And this month the Kiss and Tell program is still going on. So as I mentioned, for example, if you are going to get the if you're going to get the men's collection, for example, this is $100. So what you're going to do is, I think this will give you 10% off and free shipping, and you get the free enrollment. So that is another way to use it. So if you're going to order, you can message me or register the Gift and Tell. If you're someone who always likes to order by online, then you can very well use the Gift and Tell. When you order through me, I always personalize, so it's based on how you like. It's same for me anyway, so it's based on your preference. And this month again, the sign up is again going on. If you are someone who loves to do this kind of projects, then sign up. And I really love, as I mentioned, it's my 3rd year and my 4th year has already started, and I have had so much fun learning about these products, and these products speak for themselves. So so that is the other thing, and that's all for today's announcement. Have a wonderful day. See you all soon.